Welcome back, my home cooks and chef. You know what it is. You know what time it is. This is football season, so you know we got to pull out the wings. So we got some jerk wings with a nice rum sauce, and last but not least, we got Parmesan wings that's better than Wingstops. So let's get to cooking, you guys. All right, you guys, so we're going to jump right in and start seasoning up our wings. This is about a dozen wings, so season them up, you know what I'm saying, very on all sides. Make sure you put some batter on it, you know, flour, stuff like that. What we're going to do is be using a Ninja Foodie grill to air fry it. So these are pretty easy and simple. So what we're going to do is we're going to add in our butter first, you know what I'm saying, so just put it in your butter. Make sure your temperature is not too high because you can burn, you know, your butter. So right now it's on medium heat. So melt your butter down first before you add in the garlic. Just move it around, let it melt. Then add in your garlic powder. Spread it around. Mix it in with the butter. Real good. Make sure you ain't got no clumps. Parmesan, put it all in there, and pretty much that's it. And we're gonna add that over our wings. All right, you guys, so let's get over here and wing it up. All right, so now we gotta do is pour all the Parmesan over the wings and everything like that. Make sure you scrape everything out. You know, and then we're gonna toss it. If you see any stuck at the bottom, fold it around with your spatula. Make sure you fully cover it up. Yeah. All right, guys, we're gonna plate it up. All right, you guys, so we just plated it up. You can just sprinkle a little bit more Parmesan on top. You know, get that Parmesan look, get that money shot, you guys. Add a little parsley. All right, for greenness, for cuteness, for the Instagram. And there you go, guys. They're garlic Parmesan wings. So, you know, this is a great sauce. Great for crowd pleasers, especially for sports. So, you know what I'm saying? You guys, I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's get over into finishing up the next wings. I hope you guys enjoyed the garlic Parmesan wings. This recipe is real simple and easy. You can't make it hard. All right, you guys, so let me try it out, you know. Hey, you know, I gotta make sure I read the taste test for you guys. Let me get on in there. Man, no more Wingstop for me. Back winner, chicken dinner, you guys. Woo! Guess what we got on the menu today? We got some wings, you guys. So we're gonna be making this special sauce. Yeah, we're gonna be making the sauce today. You know, it's gonna be a spice rum jerk sauce for these wings. You know, so let's get into making it. We're gonna be using this spice rum right here, you know, and we're gonna get into making it. All right, you guys, so we're gonna be doing some jerk spice rum sauce. You're gonna be like, what? Oh yeah, so we're gonna be using some spice rum from Bacardi, which is Oak Heart's Bacardi spice rum. You know, so we're gonna be getting ready to start making this sauce up. The chicken wings are already ready for the sauce to be on top. So we're gonna heat it up, start heating up everything and get ready to put all these ingredients together. So what we do is, you wanna have a half a cup of brown sugar, your favorite jerk seasoning, and 4 tablespoons of butter. You know, and then last but not least, you know what I'm saying, half a cup of rum sauce. So, you know what I'm saying, when we put all these ingredients together, make sure you put your butter in first. You know, we're gonna get right into it. Just melt your butter down. All right, so let your butter melt down. Next, what you want to do is add your brown sugar in. Mix it into the butter. Alrighty. So let it get all these ingredients in. And next you want to add your jerk seasoning. So, yeah, make sure you put all your jerk seasoning in and mix it in until everything's incorporated. All right, you guys. All right. Ooh, I wish you guys had smell-o-vision. This bad boy smells so good. So make sure you mix all your ingredients in before you add your rum sauce. That'll be the next thing to add into your, to the ingredients to make this jerk spice rum sauce. All right, so just mix it in good. All right, you guys, and what you want to do next is add in your rum sauce, the special ingredient. So this is spicy rum sauce. You can get whatever rum sauce that you like. I like this one, oh guys. Man, when that rum hit that. So what you can do is burn it off by cooking it down, or you can do it flambe style or whatever, like that. So just mix it around. Make sure you incorporate it and smoothly so everything can, melt down precisely. Keep stirring it around as much as you can, because if it sits, you probably can burn it, so you don't want to burn your sauce. All right, you guys. All right, so what I normally like to do is, kind of put a flame to it, to let the alcohol burn off. You don't have to do this. You can actually cook it down. But I like to do this because, if you got guests and everything like that, so try to impress them and everything. This looks nice and everything. It's not dangerous, but kids, do not do this at home. You know what I'm saying? Seriously, do not do this at home. You know what I'm saying? So, put a disclaimer, you know what I'm saying? Do this at your own risk. So as it starts, burning down, that means that, the alcohol's burning off. We don't have no drunk kids here. All right, so we see that the flame burned off. Stir it up. You guys, it's done. That's all you need. Stir it off. Stir it up. And we get ready to put it over the wings, guys. All right. Smells good. Let's taste it. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So let's get to putting this over the wings. All right, you guys. All right, so get ready to pour the sauce over. It looks good and juicy. All right, you guys, pour it all the way over, pour all of it. You know what I'm saying? Wish I had something to say, but I don't, you guys. But this is good. It's pretty good. You can try it with any rum sauce. I just like the spice rum because it gives it a kick. Mind you, we doing jerk, so hey. But might as well give it a little, kick with rum sauce. So stir it around. Make sure it's all fully coated. And what we're gonna do is put it back, on the Ninja Foodie Grill. Now you can do this, put this on a tray and put it back in your oven. But since we're using the Ninja Foodie Grill, we're gonna put it back in the Ninja Foodie Grill so we can bake on the sauce on top, and then we're gonna be done, you guys. All right, so I'm gonna put the wings back in. Want them that glaze to stick on in there with the little sauce. Got some sticky icky. Hope you guys enjoy it. All right, we're gonna put these wings back on the Ninja Foodie Grill for about a good 5 minutes, and they should be done. All right, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed these jerk wings with the spiced rum sauce on it. It came out good and glycerin and everything like that. So tell me in the comments if you tried it out or if you had something similar. But let's try it out. I'm gonna take a bite. We gotta have that bite. So it's a money shot, you guys. Man, wow, really good. That's a winner with the chicken, you guys. Thanks for stopping by the Urban Culture Kitchen, you guys. I'm about to get back and get down on these wings. See you in the next video.